Oh, this cable is interrupting my work. Abracadabra. Yo, hey guys, this is Ranlal here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You all must be tired of putting wires and taking them out again and again. We all are tired of wires and cables, aren't we? From wooden keyboards to typewriters, from wired to wireless. Keyboards have improved all these years. But wait a second, are we missing something? Can we think of a keyboard which is wireless, supports Bluetooth connectivity and looks amazing at the same time? Well, am I asking too much? Not really, cause it's right here in my hands. It's the Apple Magic Keyboard. I didn't even get a chance to buy the first generation, but now it's finally here, the second generation, right in my hands, and my eyes are rolling out to see it. But first, let's take a look at the box. Magic Keyboard, Apple logo on both the sides. On the back, it's mentioned requires a Bluetooth-enabled Mac with OS X 10.11 or later. But we will try to connect the keyboard with Windows 10 Home Edition and OS X 10.9.5, which is the older version. Now I am going to open the box. I have already removed the plastic cover. Here is the keyboard itself, but about the keyboard in the later part. This is the lightning charging keyboard. This is the user manual, warranty card and other informative papers. Now let me remove the plastic cover. Wow, it's so lightweight and slim. Let's take a look at the bottom. Here are 4 feet which keep the keyboard stable while you are typing. This is the Apple logo. On the top right corner is a tiny switch, which is the on-off button. In the middle is the charging port, and this is the Bluetooth signal booster, which doesn't light up. I thought the keys were going to be small, but that's not the case. They are wide and have less space between them. The keyboard is designed on an angle, which makes it easy to type. The keyboard takes 2 hours to get fully charged, and a single charge can last up to 2 months. Now, I would like to do a quick sound test of the Apple Magic Keyboard 2 versus my keyboard. Definitely, Apple Magic Keyboard 2 makes less noise than my keyboard. Here comes the fun part. I am going to connect my Apple Magic Keyboard 2 with my system, which is running on Windows 10 Home Edition. First, I will turn on the keyboard. Now, we will go to Settings and turn on Bluetooth. Now, I will click on Add Bluetooth or other device. In here, I will click on Bluetooth. Here comes the Magic Keyboard. Click on it and let it connect. When it asks for the pin, you have to enter the pin 1716777 and press enter. Then connect on the PC. Your device is ready to go. Now click on done. Now you can use the keyboard. Now I am going to connect the Magic Keyboard 2 with the MacBook Pro, which is running on OS X 10.9.5. So first we will turn on the keyboard. Now I will turn on Bluetooth in my Mac. Now I will open Bluetooth preferences. Now I will click on Magic Keyboard. Your keyboard has been identified. Click Done to start using your computer. Now I will click on Done. Now my keyboard is connected. If you all are tired of cables and wires, Apple Magic Keyboard 2 is the best choice for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more tech videos.